Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a 4-hour chart of GBP USD, and for the last 2 days, we were talking about the possible breakout because we could spot a symmetrical triangle pattern. To be honest, I was expecting the breakout after 1 or 2 days, but we got the breakout yesterday. Massive breakout. Okay, and you can see that after this breakout, okay, right now GBP USD is standing at 1.2110, and still there is no sign of coming down. So GBP USD looks extremely strong on the charts. So this is an article from fxstreet.com. Okay, you can see GBP USD pokes 3-month high around 1.2100 on softer US dollar Brexit BOE talks in focus. And if you look at a chart of dollar, you can see dollar looks very weak. Yesterday, when I was recording my earlier video, it was standing around here. So we were not sure whether dollar would recover or not, because previously dollar was showing signs of recovery. Dollar was constantly forming lower highs, higher lows. Dollar was constantly forming higher lows, but ultimately dollar surrendered and we saw massive sell. DXY has almost come to the previous support of 105.30. So 105.30 to 105 will be a very important support for DXY right now. DXY will try its best to hold a level, because below this, or if DXY breaks this support, then a massive sell will be coming on DXY, and we will see further upside on the chart of GBP USD and Euro USD. In fact, experts around the world are very much bullish, at least temporarily, on GBP USD and Euro USD. So this upside may continue. Okay, the upside may continue. So I think swing traders, should wait for some time, because if I take you to the daily chart, or swing traders or positional traders, if I take your daily chart, you can see the market is very much bullish right now. Okay, you can see this is the market. Okay, market is bullish. Market is constantly forming higher highs, but market is also approaching the 200 moving average. Okay, market is also approaching the 200 moving average on the daily chart. So I think you should look for a buy position above the 200 moving average. That will be a much safer position for day trade, so for positional traders and swing traders. And day traders, you can follow two strategies, or according to my opinion, you have two trading opportunities on the chart of GBPUSD right now. First of all, buy at retracement. So see, right now market is standing here. Okay, market is standing here. So taking a buy position, here is not an option, because see, your risk to reward ratio will not match. If you put a buy position here, your stop loss will be somewhere around here, and your risk to reward ratio is not in your favor. And taking a sell position in this bullish market is like a suicide. Okay, that can be very dangerous. So obviously, this is our no trading zone right now. So first trading opportunity that I see on the chart of GBPUSD is if market comes down for retracement. Okay, if you see market taking support around 1.2025, around 1.2020 level, okay, then wait for a pullback. If you see market bouncing again, you can go for a buy position. That can be a safer entry on GBPUSD chart at pullback. Means buy at retracement. Okay, because at least your risk to reward ratio will be in your favor, because after all, see, we are retail traders. We must understand that our capital is limited, so it's our hard-earned money. It's our responsibility to protect it, isn't it? And on the other hand, as we have resistance on a daily chart, the 200 moving average, remember, okay, so it will be around 1.2180, 1.2200. okay, around this level we have the 200 moving average on a daily chart. So if market hits this level, okay, there can be some selling. Okay, there can be some temporary selling, at least for 30-40 pips. So day traders, if you see market reversing, keep in mind, okay, if market reverses, then only take a sell position. If you see market forming shooting star pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, or any good price rejection from above, will give you the confirmation that yes, it is working. So if you see market reversing, then only take a sell position. Okay, not for a complete trend reversal. You can book your profits after 30 to 40 pips. Okay, and in case it breaks this level, okay, do not take any buy position immediately. I'll come down tomorrow and I'll tell you what should be your next strategy. Okay, but as of now, okay, as market is here, as market is standing at 1.2110, okay, so buy at retracement, okay, or sell around 1.21802200 for short term, for not for short term, for 20, 30, 40 pips are the two trading opportunities that I see on the chart right now. GBPUSD is very volatile right now, so please be careful. Please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. See, no trader is 100% accurate. Okay, so please be careful. And my dear friends, as you all know that the workshop is coming again, the simple Forex formula. So this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop, the Forex Hero Masterclass. I conduct in both Hindi and English. Hindi or English दोनों में होता है. So if you really like my work, then you can consider signing up for a workshop if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income. I have shared everything in detail, whatever you'll be learning. It's a 3 days workshop. What are the benefits you'll gain? Okay. And most importantly, I have also shared my story. Okay, if you think that you are in a very tight spot right now, you have lost all hopes in the market, okay, then please go through my story, because nothing is impossible. If I could make it, then you can make it too. Bye bye, take care.